Good morning to all. Dear students, I hope that you all are keeping fine. Today we are going to discuss about words liable to be confused and misused words. Students are liable to confuse and misuse words that are similar in sound or form. How? But different in meaning. For example, we can say principal, principle, stationery, stationery, compliment, compliment, fair, 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 etc. There are so many words are in confused and misused words. So we have to be should be take care of differentiate them. How? Some of the words that are commonly confused. For example, you can say angel. Angel is a messenger of God. Angle. Angle is a space between two lines, but it's a only similar of the only one word. It's always for confuse and misuse of this angel and angle. So we have to be careful of these words. For example, you can see here confused and misused words and phrases. How? Do the right word is affect with an a. No, you are wrong. The word should be effect with an e. Next, we can see here my friends ate at Toyot's Toko Palace. So they are hoping that their lunch stays down, for there are rumors that health inspectors visited the 50 kitchen. So number A, there. B, they are. C, there. D, do change in necessary. So here, what is the correct answer? There. So at C, you need there the expletive or placeholder form. So we have to be careful where we have to put which word. So we have to be careful always where we have to use the liable or misused words. Next we can see recognize the distinctions among related words. Among, between, amount, number, good, well, explicit, explicit. So these are the difference between the related words of this confused and misused words. Next we can see note the difference that an apostrophe can make. Some words it will come one or two words difference, but here it's telling about the apostrophe. It's, it's, it is, or it has. Whose, who is, who has. Your, you are. So it is the difference between of the apostrophe of the words. Next we can see, for example, my brain is getting full. The next is telling relax, do, we're almost there. So these are the difference between them when we are making sentence. The word liable to be a confused and misused words. Next we can see when is doubt, rely on gut, feelings. Your eyes have seen in print any and your brain has registered all of the possible words that you will encounter for this skill. If you do not recognize the right answer, go with the one that feels right. So, dear students, whenever, whatever we are hearing, everything is stored in our mind. So, how we have to express according to us? So, where we have to use the correct word. For example, hey, I have seen that word before. Next, we can see some of the example. It's, it's, it shows possession or ownership. It's is a construction of it is. It's is a apostrophe. It is a normal. So here you can see example of its and its. The dog ate its food. It is a great day. So these are the difference between its and it is. Next example we can see here. There, there are, they are, there. So there is the place. There is the place is a different meaning. There is a place for sitting. They are is a construction of they are. So it's a different of there, there. So next example we can see their show sorry their shows ownership. It is a there is a belonging to someone. For example, I am going there. I am going there. They are my friends. They are my friends. Their books are on the table. So these are the example of words liable to be confused and misused words where we have to do what we have to do the words. Next example we can see to, who. What is the difference between this? TO2 is the number of 2. TO2 is a preposition. TOO means also or in addition. So I have 2 feet. I am going to school. I like pizza too. So these are the example of words liable to be confused and misused words. Next we can see or. Number 1, or is a verb. Our shows ownership belonging to us. Or. Our house is blue. We are going. These are the difference between the words of confused and misused words. Next example, where. Where is a place. Where is a verb. For example, where is the game? We were playing basketball. Basketball. We were playing basketball. This is the difference between where and where. Principal and principal. Principal is the main person or main thing. The principal is your pal. So here some of the words, only 2 words. Principal, A came here, P-A-L. That side is P-L-E. This is the difference between the meaning of principal and principal. So principal is the person. A principal is a rule. So it is the law of the principal. Rules and regulation we have to follow. So I am the principal of the school. Okay. Fairness is an important principle. So these are the difference between of the words and confused and misused words. Dear students, I hope that you all understood what is the words liable to be confused and misused words. Thank you. Have a nice day.